Hi, my name is Alex, and welcome back to the TSW YouTube channel. Today we'll be going over EditShare Connect. EditShare Connect is our online cloud storage system that all production classes use. It is a cloud service that allows students to store their files on cloud drives and saves them all automatically. EditShare is a crucial part of the production classes and important for the students enrolled in them. Now, let's get started. When logging into one of the computers in Hamilton Hall, you will locate EditShare by searching it up on Spotlight, if it's not already saved on the dock. When opening up EditShare, it will take you to the login menu. When logging in, there will be 3 areas to type into: server, username, and password. In the server bar, you will type the IP address, which can be found hanging on every poster in every editing room and/or classroom. In username, you'll put your WP username followed by @WPUmail. And your password is the same as your WP Connect password. If you want to skip this process in the future, click the box that says Remember Me, so next time you log into that specific computer, you will not have to put in your login information again. Once all the information is typed in correctly, you can hit the Sign In button. When logged into EditShare, one of the first things you want to do is check the top right corner. There you will see the status of your EditShare connection. Ensure the status says Good with a green check mark. If not, try logging out of EditShare and reopening it. If that doesn't work, try restarting the computer. If neither suggestion works, contact one of the staff members at the TSW. Now, we'll go over the layout of EditShare. On the top left are 4 tabs that read Spaces, Projects, Settings, and Logs. On the right side, you will see the options Unmount All and Search, which we will go over later. The Spaces tab is the most essential when it comes to using EditShare Connect, and it is where you will be for the most part on EditShare. Here you will find the EditShare drives that you have access to for your classes. For every production class, you will be given an assigned EditShare drive that the class will use. If you wish to search for a certain EditShare drive, you have the option to search for it on the right side. To mount an EditShare drive, first locate which drive you would like to mount. Then hover over and click on the drop-down menu under the Mount/Unmount category, and select on EFS. This is telling EditShare that you would like to mount the respective drive. After a second or two, the drive will appear on your desktop. Double-clicking on the drive will open it, and you will be able to find all your files located in the drive. For the most part, when first opening an EditShare drive, you will have nothing in it. Now I will go over navigating and saving to your EditShare drive. Whenever you are setting up a project in whichever editing software you are using, you will save it to your EditShare drive. When you choose the location to where you will be saving your project, you will need to locate your drive on Finder. If it is the first time you are logging into the computer you are using, you will need to make your EditShare drive visible in Finder. This is because by default, your EditShare drive will not appear in Finder whenever you want to set your project's location. I will now show you how to make your EditShare drive appear. What you first want to do is click on Finder at the bottom of the desktop. You will then go to the top of the desktop and click on Finder, and a menu will appear. Go ahead and click on Settings. The Finder Settings panel will appear. You will click over to the Sidebar tab. Down in the Location section, you will locate the computer's name and you will click on the checkbox right next to it. Once you do this, you will be able to locate and navigate to your EditShare drive in Finder whenever you save a project to your drive. Remember, you will need to complete this step every time you log into a computer that you have never used. Once you are done using EditShare, make sure to unmount your drives before logging out, as this can cause problems when unmounting. To unmount a specific drive, simply head on over to the Mount/Unmount category and select the blank option for the drive. Make sure to double check that the drive is still not opened or being used. After a few moments, the drive will disappear from your desktop. If you have multiple EditShare drives mounted, you can click on Unmount All on the top right to unmount all drives. And to sign out of EditShare, click on the Sign Out button on the lower right side. And there you have EditShare Connect. If you have any questions or issues with EditShare, please contact the Technical Services window for assistance. Thank you for watching.